This is 2008 Honda Odyssey, and the issue of this car is when it has a broken or busted power steering pump. So as you start the car, you can hear the hissing sound. I hope you could hear that. Every time you turn the power steering or the steering wheel, you can hear an hissing sound. I hope you could hear that. And it's very obvious. There's a lot of leak on the pump right there. So we are going to replace the pump today. So join me and let's fix this car. So one more test to confirm it's really the power steering pump. I hope you could hear that. Every time you turn the steering wheel, you can hear an hissing sound. See this. Hear this. I'll let it go. It's hissing sound. I'll let it go. Yeah, it's really confirmed. It's the pump. So first thing that we need to do, remove the hoses. There you go. It's gonna spill, but it's okay. That's how it is. Then put it here. There you go. Now we need also a rag to put in here. And now we're gonna remove this too. Number 10. Okay. Okay. I think there's an O-ring in here. Let's see. Oops. Not really. Here. And now we need to loosen the tensioner in order to remove this belt. And we are using my special tools. And number 14 socket right there. So just push this. So I'm just gonna push this counterclockwise, and then we can remove the belt. There you go. Nice. Let's put this in here for a while. Okay. So now there's a bolt in here on the middle. We need to remove that. So we need to remove this pulley. think this is number 19. So in order this to remove and to stop on spinning, I'm gonna put a extension in here to stop it on spinning while we loosen this. Okay, now going to this. There we go. Now it's loose. Now we can loosen it by hand. There we go. That's the bolt. Then let's remove this. Alright, that's the pulley. And this one has only 2 bolts holding the pump, and this is number 12 bolt. Right. And one in here at the bottom. Come on. There you go. Bottom in here on the top, one on the top. All right, now that's the pump. Right, we got the new remanufactured again. Remanufactured power string. Right, that's number 12. Right. Oh, now it's tight. Let's double check. Okay, it's tight. Now let's put back the pulley. And then that's number 19. So we need this to lock this so it won't spin. Then oh. We need this number 14. so that we can, come on, okay, then just push this counter clockwise. It's in now. Okay, now let's put the new O-ring in here. So this one, let's remove this. Okay, put the new one. Alright, then let's put it on. Good. These are number 10 and also number 10. And this one, just remove the cover. So, put the hose. Oops. And if you spill something, just wipe it. And let's put back this clamp. There we go. Okay. Now let's put some power steering fluid. Okay. Fill it up. Okay. Let's start the car. So make sure to check everything is installed properly. And it seems like now we can start the car, and let's see if there's still a hissing sound. No more. Nice. Guys, let's pull, let's do the turn the steering wheel, and no more hissing sound. An easy fix, guys. That's an easy fix. So guys, that's it. If you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, guys, and consider like and subscribe my channel. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. Alright, after a couple of minutes, let's check the reservoir. We're still fluid in it. Sounds good. Let's check the steering wheel. Nice. No more hissing sound. All right. That's it. Car is fixed.